Let's take some calls from the request line. Caller number 1.
Hey, man, what's up? This is Dominique from Shady No Trailer Park.
What's up, Dominique?
I want to hear that song from Lil John and Petey Pablo.
Alright, I got that coming right out for you. Now, shout out the radio station that gave you what you wanted.
W boom boom B, baby.
What you doing from the front? What you doing from the back? Better break it down like that. What you doing from the front? What you doing from the back? Better break it down like that. 24, 34, 46, good and thick, and what you get she'll work with. Pretty face and some cute lips, earring in the tongue, and she know what to do. Make a name for herself, and she do it this well. I know how to keep a business to herself. Come over anytime, I've been called chick. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and she right there. And she know why she came here, and she know where her clothes supposed to be. Sniff a little, take a look, smoke a little, drink a little bit. I need a girl I can freak with, the way they try this, and ain't scared of a big. Love to get up so lit, buy another bitch, cause I ain't drunk enough to do that. Shamika, Keisha, Tara, Freek-A-Leek, Sabrina, Crystal, Miranda, Freek-A-Leek, Felicia, Tanisha, Siobhan, Freek-A-Leek, Monique, Christina, Yolanda. I need to know a whole lot and can teach me wrong. Need a ding dong, take her tongue and take her to blow. I hold my own ears on, I had to do that for her. I'm spoiled. And now I like to work that hard. I like to lay back, relax, and enjoy my time. With my eyes roll back and my toes curl. When you do that, girl. Till it comes time for me to have to give her hers. Tell me what you want. Do you want a missionary with your feet crammed to the headboard? Do you want it from the back with your face in the pillow so you can yell as loud as you want to? On the floor, do you want it on the chair? Do you want it over here? Do you want it over there? Do you want it in your nizzle? Do you want it in your... Anything you can handle. Shamika, Keisha, Tara, Freek-A-Leek, Sabrina, Crystal, Miranda, Freek-A-Leek, Felicia, Tanisha, Siobhan, Freek-A-Leek, Monique, Christina, Yolanda. When she doing from the front, when she doing from the back, better break it down like that. When she doing from the front, when she doing from the back, better break it down like that.
Hey, I appreciate that, homeboy.
Not a problem, you know I do it cause I love you. Now I gotta give a shout out to Sigas Gin, cause I drink it and they paying me for it.